This is your teacher Liesel. This video is a very short tutorial on the basics of origami. This will be useful in more complex figures. Are you ready for the tutorial? Then follow me. Valley fold. 계곡 접기를 해볼게요. Take a paper and fold it in half. Unfold it a little bit and a valley is formed. 계곡이 생겼죠? This is called valley fold. Valley fold, mountain fold. Along the same line, fold the other way. 이번에는 선이 위로 올라오게 접어줄 건데요. 이렇게 하면 산이 생기죠. A mountain is formed. That's why this is called mountain fold. 튀어나오게 접는 것이 산접기입니다. You start from white side, it's valley fold. But if you start from blue side, it's mountain fold. The doors. 아까 산접기 했던 종이를 펼칠게요. Fold so that the both sides meet the center line. 중앙선에 맞게 양쪽을 접어주면 문접기 완성입니다. You can open the doors and close the doors. Cushion. Take a paper, valley fold in half. If you turn it over, it'll be mountain fold. Let's try mountain fold vertically. We'll call this cushion. 방석 접기라고 부를게요. Ice cream. Take a paper and rotate. Valley fold in half, making a triangle. Unfold. Let the two sides meet the center line. 아이스크림 접기. Inside reverse. Take the ice cream, valley fold in half. Rotate. Turn over and valley fold at an angle. Unfold, 펼쳐서 spread, 벌려주시면 You see this point? At the intersection, push in and fold. 이 교차점을 기준으로 접어주시고 안쪽으로 꼬리를 뒤집어 주면서 자국 났던 선에 맞게 눌러 접으면 안으로 뒤집어 접기. Outside reverse. Unfold the inside reverse. And valley fold at a different angle. You see this crease? Spread the intersection with your thumb, reverse, fold back, it until it meets the crease. 밖으로 뒤집어 접기 할 거예요. 교차점에 엄지를 갖다 대고 밖으로 꺾어 접어주세요. 미리 접어두었던 자국에 맞게끔 꼬리를 뒤집어 정리해 주시면 됩니다. 뒤집어 접기 생각보다 어렵지 않죠? Please remember these for the following origami videos. Bye!